Yan, good evening kabayan. Ito po yung plastic straw na gawa po sa flower. Lahat po ito ay recycled materials. So I will teach you guys how to make a flower using these recycled materials. So here we go guys. So you need to fold like this. You make sure is alignment over here. And then you need to fold like this. Okay? Second step, you need to do like this. Same like the shape is like L shape. Okay. After that, you need to fold into the left, and then also you need to fold into the right. Okay. Second step. And then the third step, left and right, left and right, left and right until the end. Okay. Left, right, and then you need to take it like this. Fold into the left, right, take it. Left, right, and then here we go. Left, and then right, and then here we go. One more. Fold into the left, and then fold into the left, like that. Fold into the left, and then fold it into the right, and like that. Fold it into the left, and then fold it into the right, and then do it like that. One more. Fold it into the left, and then fold it in the right, and then take it. Fold it in the left, and then fold it in the right, and then here we go like this. Okay, like that. Okay, and then you need to put into the hole slowly, like this, and then like that, and then do it like this. Okay, here we go. Okay, one more. Another color, green. Okay, fold again, making sure it's alignment, and then you need to fold into L shape, and then fold it in the left, and then fold it in the right. Okay, it's still L shape. Fold it in the left, and then fold it in the right. There we go. Fold it into the left, and then fold it into the right. One more. Fold it in the left, and then fold it in the right. Fold it in the left, and then fold it in the right. Okay, fold it in the left, and then fold it in the right. Fold it in the left, and then fold it in the right. Fold it into the left, and then fold it in the right. Fold it in the left, and then fold it in the right. Fold it in the left, and then fold it in the right. And then you need to put inside the hole like this, and then do like this. Here we go. Okay, one more. We go for yellow. Okay, you need to fold it into the into two. Okay, make sure it is alignment, and then fold like this, L shape. Fold in the left, and then fold it in the right. Okay, one more. Fold it in the left, and then fold it in the right. There we go. Repeat and repeat only, guys. Do it like this, and then do it like that, and then do it like this, and then do it like this, and then do it like that, like that. If you pastor doing like this, like that, because me already know how to do this, so I'm pastor a bit. Okay, if you are compatible, you are you know how to do it like this, so I hope you can make it a pastor as well. So this one. So one more. Okay. Last one. Okay. You do like that, and then after that you do like this. Fold it and right. Okay. After that, fold it. Do it like this, and then I pasta. Into a pasta like this. So thank you very much for all of you guys for supporting me, and then please don't forget to subscribe and follow as well, and then don't forget the ring notifications bell, and then thank you guys. If you want a more video, please follow me, and then don't forget to subscribe so that more videos to come. Okay, thank you very much guys. Here we go. That's it. So thank you very much for all of you guys. Thank you. We love you. Please support my channel, guys. Please help me so that more children to see these kind of materials, recycled materials, guys. So that for the future, many people or many childrens for the future that know how to do with this, how to do it, these recycled materials. Please support, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you very much, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you for all of you guys. We love you, the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much.